Let me show you how you can use just Facebook to make money. And we are going to do this using just three steps. The first step is that we need a product that we want to affiliate. So you need to go to an affiliate marketplace like impact.com, ClickBank. I am currently using Warrior Plus and JVZoo, Digistore24. There are a whole lot of them, and you want to find a product that you are going to market. So I am in the Warrior Plus dashboard, and these are the top products in today. So let's say I want to look at this one that says a guide to writing fictional book or fiction book with AI. So I'm just going to open it and I want to see what that product is about, and I want to affiliate this product on Facebook for free. I'll show you two methods that you will use on Facebook to get ready and interested buyers to buy these products that you are selling. And I will equally show you a format that you use to message them so that you do not come off as spam. This is going to help you improve your conversion and make you even more money. So this is the sales page of this product, and it says a way to supercharge success, and as an indie author, a guide to writing fiction book with AI assisted PLR with an exclusive $5 add-on option. So this is a product about writing PLR books or writing books with AI. All right, so this is the first product. I'm going to look for something else. So I'm going to come to affiliates here, and I'm going to come to the offers. So this is how it works on Warrior Plus. So your own affiliate platform might be different, but the idea is to find a product that you want to affiliate, and this product needs to, in my case, want to help people make money fast. So on Warrior Plus, I can come here where we have categories, and I can sort by the categories. So here we have Amazon KDP Publishing Assistant, and this was launched just this month, 18th of this month, and it has done more than 500 sales. This one is Vidmax. This is Traffic Bot, a whole lot of them. So I'm just going to look for a simple one. So let's look at this AI Profit Machine. I'm going to look at this AI Profit Machine, and I might just work with this one. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that the product is not very expensive. So this one is just $34, which is okay. So we are going to open this one too to see what this product is about, and this is a product I would want to promote to or on Facebook. So I'm going to close this one because I don't really like that one. So let's look at this one that says AI Profit Machine. So this product is basically going to teach people how to make money with AI. So it says here, grab this 447,000 blah 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 for a done for you business powered by AI. So I'm just going to go to the sales page to see exactly what this product is about. So this is a product right here, and I think I like this one, and I'm going to use this one. So I'm just going to copy this link. All right, I'm just going to consider this to be the affiliate link, but otherwise this is what you need to do. You need to get the affiliate link to this product. So on Warrior Plus, we need to request access, just like impact.com. We need to request access to this offer. So I'll be working with this product, and I want to look at the commission we'll get. So this is going to be our commission right here. Our commission will range from $9 to $418, and this is the price range of this product. Now, the most important thing, or the key thing with us here, for us here, is that we will earn 100% recurring. All right, so we'll be earning recurring commission for this. So for us to get the affiliate link to this, we can come here, request approval, and then we want to write a small reason why we want to work with this brand. I'm just going to say I am a CPC expert. I would, of course, you need to write something more convincing so that these people would accept you. So I said I would like to show this product to my audience using paid traffic. The reason why I'm saying paid traffic is because I want them to know that I know what I'm doing, and this is my mode of operation. So you can actually write this better. You can give them more reasons. So in my case, I'm just going to do this because I wouldn't be using this anyway. So I just click on request offer, and then they are going to either approve you or reject you. But in case they reject you, just find other offers. There are a lot of offers that are going to accept you. So after that, you get an affiliate link, and I'm just going to copy this as an affiliate link. So now the next thing we need to do is we want to come to this website called Short URL. So you search for Short URL or Bitly or Link Shortener or Tiny URL. There are a lot of them. What we want to do here is that we want to shorten our URL so it doesn't appear as a spam or it doesn't give us out or give us away. So here I'm just going to paste my URL here. So I'm going to consider this my affiliate link. So I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to shorten the URL. So after shortening your URL, you want to come to Facebook. So I need you to come to the normal Facebook, and here you want to search for, in this case, I'm going to search for Make Money Online. So this is going to work across multiple niches. So if you, let's say you are in the health niche, you can come here and search for your own niche. So in my case, I'm going to say Make Money Online. All right, because this is the niche, this is the AI niche. So I'm just going to write Make Money Online, and I'm going to search for this. So I'm looking for groups, and I'm going to see different groups. And to refine my search, I want to come down here and search for groups, and I'm going to see groups that are about making money online. So I can actually toggle them by maybe near me or public groups. So what I'm going to do in this case is to join some of these groups, and the people in these groups, they basically want to make money online, and that's why they are in this group. So I'm just going to open this one to see what it looks like. So after joining this group, you want to go through the group and you want to see what these people are doing. So as you can see, this post was made around 3 a.m. yesterday, and people are showing some interest. It has 110 comments, 101, and a whole lot of them. So you want to go through these groups to see how active the group is, and once you've seen that this group matches you, of course you can do this, you can find different groups from different parts of the world. So you want to click on the members in this group here where you have people. You can click on members or people right here, and then you see the moderators and all of that, and then you see members with things in common. These are members who have things in common with me. But you want to look at this one. These are people, the new people who joined this group. These people, they are still very, very hot. As you can see, this guy just joined 4 minutes ago, this one 3 minutes ago, this one 4 minutes ago from Marseille, France, 4 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago. These are the people we are looking for. These are new people who are just coming to this group. So you can actually go through and find these new persons who have just joined this group, and then you can send them messages. So let's say I want to talk to this guy who has just joined. I'm just going to click on that, and then I can come here and then I can send him or her a message. Now the problem most people have here is that they just come here and then they spam people, they put their affiliate link, but that's not how it's going to work. And that's why I developed this simple script for you. And what you want to do is you want to talk like a proper human being. You want to communicate, you want to engage, and you want to create a form of rapport with people before you tell them anything about money. So I just made this script, and I'm going to put it in the description if you want it. So Grammarly is trying to help me make it easy. So I'm just going to come here and say, hello, John. So this guy, his name is Ahmad or Ahmad or Bishan. You can use anyone that you want. So you can come here, just change the name to hello, Ahmad. I noticed you just joined the Make Money Online platform on Facebook, and I am sharing an opportunity I have used or an opportunity that I am currently trying. I understand if this is a bit spammy, and if so, no worries. Don't worry, I will not send you a link if you don't want me to send you a link. But if you'd like to check it out, I'll send you the link. Let me know if you want me to send you the link, and then you just write cheers. So this is what you are going to do. All right. So in my case, let's say I wanted to send this to this guy. I will just copy this. Again, I'll put the script in the description for you if you want to get it. So, and I can just come here and then I paste it. All right. I'm just going to come here and I'm going to change his name to hello Ahmad. All right. So the reason why I'm adding the name is to personalize it. So the person will know that I personally check them out, which is important. All right. So I'm going to say hello Ahmad. I noticed that you just joined the blah blah blah. You can go further to say we share the same group, and I found this product that I've been trying. If you don't mind, we can try it together. Let me send you a link if you want. Always give them that option to decide if they want or not. It's a bit for them to engage. So if they don't want, they will not answer you. If they want, they will answer you, which gives you an opportunity to do things the right way. So you are going to send this message, but I'm not going to send this now because I don't want to market that product. So you are going to send this message, and in most cases, a lot of persons will reply you if you use this same script. All right. If you use this method that I'm showing you, people are going to reply you. And when they reply you, some of them will be like, yeah, sure. And then you can send them the link to your affiliate product. Tell them they should check it out, and they are going to check it out. All right. So that's the first method you will use to get interested person. So remember, we want to join groups that are related to what we are promoting, and then we want to look for members. So the downside to this is that you have to manually do this. You have to go through and do this, but the profit level is quite high. So let's say I wanted to do this with this lady. I can equally click on that, and then I'm going to message her. The same thing. I don't need to send her a friend request. I can just message her. I noticed that we share a group called blah blah blah. Give them the name of the group so that they will know where you are hitting them out from, or where you are hitting on them from, or where you are reaching them from. So again, make sure to change the name. All right. If you don't want to be changing the name, you can just remove the name part. You can just say hello, and that should do well. But if you add the name, it's going to be much better because you are personifying it, which is a subtle art of copywriting that works really well. So again, I'm going to do that. And let's say if you do this 10 times, at least 4 persons will reply, which is very, very good. Even if 1 person replied, again, it is still very, very good because you'll be putting your affiliate link out and people would be seeing your affiliate link. Now, this is the first method. The second method is to actually join the group itself, and then you want to make content on the group. So if I come to the content here or the discussions, I'll see what people have written. All right, so I can make my own post, and then I can equally comment on the post. So you can come here and say if they allow you to post link here. If they allow you to post link, you can come here, right? Or you can equally write anonymously. So you can say you want to write anonymously, and then you can create an anonymous post. In my case, I don't really care about being anonymous because what I am marketing is not illegal. So I can come here and write that I found a simple AI business, and AI business. All right, so my spelling is quite bad. AI business, and it is easily or easy to automate, and anybody can learn this. All right. And all you have to do is publish this post. All right. People will come to the comments and they will be like, they are interested. You can actually reach out to them in their DM. So this method, or these two methods, you will use to qualify people who are really interested in what you are affiliating, and it will give you the option to actually affiliate your link to people who would easily buy. Now that's why we had to choose products that are cheap, products that are not really expensive, that people can try out. And this is how you can use just Facebook for free to make money. I hope this video has been helpful. If yes, please like the video. If no, you tell me in the comment section, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. In my next video, I'll talk about how to run Facebook ads to your affiliate marketing offers. And if you want to see that, then you should subscribe and watch out for my next video. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you. Bye-bye.